Hello, healthy and wealthy community. It's Praveen here, and today we are talking about one of the biggest health thieves in modern India: stress. From long commutes in Mumbai traffic to work pressure in Bangalore office, stress affects us all. Leading to anxiety, poor sleep, and even health issues like high BP. But fear not, Ashwagandha, the king of Ayurveda herb, is here to help. We will explore easy DIY tea recipes for natural stress relief. If this sounds like what you need, hit like right now to support our channel growth. We lost some subscribers recently and need your help to bounce back. Subscribe and enable notifications to join our journey to monetize through consistent growth time. Ashwagandha or Bethania somnifera is an adaptogen that helps your body handle stress by lowering cortisol levels. A study in the Indian Journey of Psychological Medicine found it reduces stress by 30% in just 60 days. It's been used in Ayurveda for centuries and it's super accessible in India. Powder from costs under 200 INR for a month's supply. Recipe 1. Basic Ashwagandha tea for beginners. Boil 1 cup water, add 1 teaspoon Ashwagandha powder, simmer for 5 minutes, strain and a dash of honey and lemon for taste. Drink in the evening to unwind, perfect after a hectic day. Recipe 2. Creamy milk delight for better sleep. Warm 1 cup milk for almond milk for vegan. Stir in 1 teaspoon ashwagandha, half a teaspoon ghee and a bunch of cardamom. Simmer gently. The golden elixir calms the mind and promotes restful sleep, ideal for insomnia. Recipe 3. The spicy immune boosting twist. Combine ashwagandha with grated ginger and tulsi leaves in boiling water and black pepper for absorption. This version not only relieves stress but boosts immunity against seasonal colds common in India. Sourcing tip. Get organic ashwagandha from local Ayurvedic stores or online platforms like Amazon India or Himalaya Wellness. Start with 500 mg daily. Pro tip. Pair with deep breathing exercises for amplified effects. Track your stress level in the journey to see improvement. Caution. Pregnant women or those or thyroid medicines should consult a doctor. Avoid about 2 grams per day to prevent mild side effects like drowsiness. What's your go-to stress reliever? Share in the comments below. Your input increases our engagement and helps us grow faster. Share this video with anyone stressed out. It could change their day. At Healthy and Wealthy, we focus on practical wealth building health habits. Subscribe today to help us reach our goal. Like, comment, share. Let's build this community together. Thank you.